Hi, hello kids, welcome to Blue 4. You are watching Wow Facts. I'm Pooja. Today I'll be sharing some insights and some secret about things you might not know. Parrot can talk like humans. How is it possible? Why do heavier objects fall faster? To know all these interesting things, please do watch this video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Kids, have you seen talking parrots? How they can talk? Does the parrot go to school? Are you interested to know the answer? Then come, let's find the answer in this video.
Birds like songbirds, hummingbirds, and parrots are vocal learners. They have defined centers called cores in their brain which control their vocal learning. However, only parrots can talk like humans. According to research, their brain is designed quite differently than songbirds and hummingbirds. In their brains, parrots have an additional structure. Their shells are believed to help parrots to be good at copying sounds, thus giving them the ability to talk like humans.
Kids, try this. Hold a paper in one hand. Hold a stone in another hand. When you leave both at the same time, which will go faster? Stone, because it's a heavier object. But my question is, why heavier objects fall faster? Want to know the answer? Then come, let's find the answer in this video.
Whether an object is heavy or light, all objects accelerate at the same rate towards the earth. That is 9.8 meters per second squared. However, this happens when there is a vacuum, and the speed of falling objects depends upon their surface area and air resistance. For example, the feather has more surface area as compared to the coin. Hence, more air pushes against the feather, due to which it experiences greater air resistance. Thus, the feather falls slower as compared to the coin.
I hope you all got right answers and enjoyed today's Wow Fact video. We will meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Keep watching Blue 4.